YouTubes, Fix, Pick and Lock. Excuse me. Right, I'm going to start this off with a little bit where I buggered up. I says in the video you're now going to watch that when I was picking the ISEO I weren't going to go any further because it was all basic pins. Well, I was wrong. It had 5 spools in it, and I said I was going to send it to Peter Platten. In the end I didn't. I got a pin jammed in it and I'm still working on that, so I replaced it with a similar yell to this one. So get back to the video, watch it through to the end if you don't mind. I've got something on the end I'm trying to work through. Right, catch you later. Hello YouTube. Excuse me, Fix, Pick and Lock. I've got a couple of locks here that I'm going to do for Peter Platten. He sent them to me, and I'm going to do a couple of challenge locks. I've got that one that felt a bit is half of the one I did last week, so I'm going to do that one, and then I'm going to do this ISEO. I think I'll change the camera angle a bit. On here, it's right on the edge of the disc, so I've got to be careful. I'm going to have to peep round it. So let's take that away so it don't take the focus away. Right. Now this ISEO is just basic. There's no security pins in it. But I don't know, it gave me grief the other day when I was trying to pick it. It just didn't want to know. Oh, this, by the way, is a chop pick. A chopstick being cut down. I've cut along it, put my metal strip in, glued it, put this on. Now that design is half diamond with a swoop at the bottom. I know Wes Picks made one for Leon's lock pad and it looks something similar. It looked better than that. So if the design is Wes Picks, I'm not nicking it and I'll give him credit for it. But I think I see it somewhere else, but I can't remember. So it's not my design, but I tried doing it and it did work. And I don't know if you can see in the background over here. I've made about 6 different sorts using the chopsticks. So I've called them chop picks. Bit of useless information. Yeah, come on. Get stuck out the back there a bit. Just take the change to just normal half diamond home brew. Yeah, that back pin. There we go. I'm not going to gut this one because it's all basic in there. There's nothing extra. There's a dark arts swoop. And focus. I'll do then a chop pick. There we go. bundle of chop picks, and I also started doing them in stainless steel. Yeah, that wasn't a good idea, but I got something out of it. So it was this one, this one. These are the stainless steel ones. That's 1/2, and that's a double half diamond on there. But I'm not happy with that. It's not working too good, so I might take it down to a half diamond with a swoop on it like the other one. But it's always nice. Good feedback, but not brilliant. And this is the other half. I don't see there, I've pinned through it, but it was really hard to drill through this stainless steel. No, this isn't stainless steel, sorry, this is the snake rake that I've been using, and it just shatters. I mean, if I push this really hard it will shatter. It's a cheap metal. So, what does it show you the other two types I've done? There's like a bow guitar, just so a medium hook. I did 2 of each. The colours don't mean nothing, it's just that that's what I put on at the time, but it looks good, doesn't it? Well, that's a quick one for this week. Vic's Picks is he's gone, mate, he's dead. Come on, Vic's Pick and Lock, that's the one. And thanks for subscribing, all those that have. Please continue if you haven't subscribed to do it now. It really bumped my numbers up. Pass it on to your friends. Hit the like button. That's apparently that's supposed to be important. I'll get a few likes, but I always like a video. Whatever I watch, I'll give it a like. Anyway, that's my ramble, and I'll catch you on the next one.